YouTube, what's up, man? It's your boy Young Rich 419. I'm at it with another video, man. Hey, man, you see the title, nigga? 300C is back, man. That's right, man. Big C is back in the building, man. I'm looking at it right now, man. And it's looking fresh, looking clean, man. God damn, it's sort of swinging right quick. Big C in the building. Yeah, man, got it back. I'm about to break it back down, though, man. But let y'all take a look at this. Yeah, he back in full in effect, man. Full in effect. He back. Get back and look in detail. Gotta show y'all the details, man. Everything back, man. All back. Brand new wheels, man. On both sides. Take a look. Take a look. Brand new wheels on both sides. You feel me? New front wheel, passenger, brand new. But yeah, man, I'm telling you, this is what we about to do, man. About to disassemble this shit, man. So what I mean by that is, we about to take these old tire stickers off. We're gonna put these fresh new ones on, man. I might do it, put it all in the same video, but I might not, man. But yeah, we're gonna get back to the 300 though, man. This motherfucker back, you feel me? This bitch back, man. Yeah. But yeah, man, let me show you how much this motherfucker costs, man. Let me show my motherfucker address and shit. See the total price. The total price. God damn. Yeah, man, the total price, man. For the fucking 300, man. 15,000. What they all had to do. The new damage that they found. See, you got the wheel gap back in normal. We had to put a new front cradle on here, man. That's right. We got to put a new front cradle in a 300, man. So, oh, that's brand new up under there, man. Got to turn this flashlight on for y'all right quick. Brand new cradle. Brand new suspension parts up under here, which y'all see. Brand new suspension parts, brand new cradle, man. As y'all see on the other side. This is daylight now. I'm at the crib and I can get busy. Document everything, man. Why not, man? It's nothing but a story, man. All new everything. You see? You feel me? All new everything up under there, man. Yes, sir, man. Yes, fucking sir. I probably still need to get up under here and spray up under here. You know what I mean? But besides all that, everything brand new tires, nigga. About to put these tire stickers back on, man. And they got my car clean on the inside. It's about 90% clean, man. It's about 90% clean, man. I gotta go back and retouch it up, man. You feel me? But yeah, man. Still got so dusty. Yeah, so I gotta clean it up. It's dusty back here, but we're gonna clean that up though eventually. My main goal today is getting these tire stickers back on, man. So we happy. I'm happy. It's back in full in effect, man. It's back in the driveway. You feel me? Hey, I didn't realize this. Peep this. I didn't realize this car got so much padding up under here for the noise. But y'all can see all this carpet up under here. Extends all the way from the front to the back, which is actually, I'm glad they did that, because you know why? It protects from, like, especially where we live at, Toledo, Ohio, up north, where the salt and shit. So it protects it from all the salt. So Chrysler was thinking, man. Chrysler was thinking, man. But yeah, we gotta clean all this stuff up, man. We gotta clean all this stuff up, wipe all this shit down. I'm not doing none of that shit today. All this shit dirty everywhere. All we care about is getting these old tire stickers off, putting these new tire stickers on, man. So yeah, man. Got the roof back, slick back. Got all the babies back together again. 2 392s in the driveway. Got the three. They call this what, the 370. Yeah, this is 370. You know what I'm saying? This ain't the 392. This is 370 right here. You feel me? 2 392s, man. We got a turbocharged car, got a supercharged car, and we got 3 aspirated NAs, man. You know, so we got 3 NAs, man. So yeah, man, Young Rich 419. I ain't gonna hold y'all. I'm gonna get these tire stickers popping. I'm gonna let y'all see it with the new tire stickers on and shit. I'm done. Take my shit in, take my ass in the crib. We ain't gonna start no interior parts today, man. We're gonna do that all next video. Got tons of videos for this shit coming, man. So yeah, man. Young Rich 419. Next clip. Alright, YouTube. It's official. Got the tire stickers on this bit. Still gotta peel off the top layer, but y'all get the picture, man. Y'all get the picture, man. All done, all finished, man. It's getting kind of low, not really late, but sun going down, so we better go ahead and I'm gonna clean up its interior though right quick. And you know what I'm saying? Park it for the night, you feel me? I ain't driving it tonight, fuck it. Park it. Shit. We good, man. Let these tire stickers what they call it, cure on here. We good, man. But like I said, man, Young Rich 419. Subscribe to the channel, nigga. Don't be scared. It's free. You know what I mean? I know you a lot of niggas like free shit. So it's free. Subscribe, man. Peace.